right, we're back. Thanks to, don't get any ideas here, S&M Towing and Repair, but the Aventador is on first. We got another flatbed coming for the.
Are we there yet?
Huracan. No, but
Yeah, you're good.
Jamie just rolled this sucker up there, and then the Huracan's next. Vale, here we come, and we'll see if there'll be any more shenanigans. But one car on the flatbed, one to go. Later.
See this.
Tell if it's supposed to go.
Was it like prom date all over again, Steve?
How did it go into yours?
You gotta go the other way, bro.
No, it's going in. It's making its way in.
Okay,
Come on over again.
Where's that banana when I need it? Yeah. So we're
What's happening, buddy? You ready to
about
go
to
Denver?
put this two-wheel drive up on that iced up trailer. I just drove mine up. He's gonna have to tow his up. So we'll get
Hey,
back
there's
to
a
you
party
guys
in
here.
your mouth and everyone's coming. Even this guy.
Is that Shrek?
He said Shrek was coming. I'm like, what? That's not Shrek. I already like him better. So, again, big shout out to S&M Repair. And I'll get no ideas. James, this place is called S&M Repair.
This place is S&M.
Yeah, after you do
You're
a little,
riding with this guy.
After you do a little S&M, they fix it for you.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Like, hey, they got all kinds of whips and chains in the back of these trucks. I don't know if we should ride in them. Might be a little sketchy.
God damn, you're worse than a woman. Is that it? Just 5 bags? That's all you needed?
Hold on, don't die on me now. Oh, okay, I made it. Man, that was treacherous. Hey, thank you, man.
We'll see you.
We appreciate you. S&M Repair and apparently towing. So I think we're gonna hop in that black truck and ride along. We'll be back. Okay, Lambros, it's vlogs on vlogs today. So we're in the International. Interesting fact, this is just a newer version of my International, my big truck as we call it, which was way bigger than James's 650. He's always talking about.
Not even close.
But check this out. We got Evil Mercy on the back. And back there, if you can see, we got the Lambros Huracan back there and another tow truck. We got these guys that we did find out that the S&M Repair has nothing to do with S&M.
So disappointed.
So far, we have not seen any whips and chains or anything.
I've seen lots of chains.
Yeah. But if you will notice, I am wearing the limited edition Verde Scandal Lambros shirts.
I have no idea what that means.
Now in the merch store, so you can go get them if you want one. There's very few. The
Does that
limited
mean
edition.
gray?
No, it doesn't mean gray. This color is called Verde Scandal.
I'm talking about this. Looks
This
gray.
is gray. This
Okay.
is Verde Scandal. He's an idiot.
So what's the black ones? Aren't they the
This
same?
is the same guy that just tried to kill me on the highway, if you guys didn't notice that. I was trying to end the vlog, and I couldn't even end the vlog because James was trying to kill me.
Screaming like a woman. And I'm not meaning that sexist. I mean he was screaming like a woman because of the pitch of his voice. Not the news sexist.
I think there are women that wouldn't scream as much as I just screamed. There are very
Only dogs
strong
can
women.
hear him. His mouth is open and only dogs can hear him.
Only the dogs knew what I was saying.
Dog whistle scream.
So I don't know what's gonna happen now. I'm sure we're gonna probably stop in Lyman. When we do, I'll get some more shots of the cars. If we can get the, I kind of feel like, James, you set this up to where the Aventador would be in front of the Huracan the whole way.
Everything I do is with thought behind it.
Like
No accidents.
Like this truck pulls up, which I believe is my truck. Okay, this is my tow truck. Okay, Chris is here. Chris is the good guy, not what do we call him?
Shrek.
Dumpy Shrek. Dumpy Shrek or Don't Be Shrek. And James immediately pulls his car onto this, and then we get out in front
Like that.
So,
And, you know, the fastest truck has to have the fastest car, so it just made sense.
but this isn't the fastest truck. So stick around and wait. We'll get some shots of the Huracan passing later. Here comes the Lambros Huracan. We're passing. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, we're making it. Thanks to, oh, it looks good on that trailer now. Look at there.
Lambros!
We ain't messing around. Chris is driving, doing a real good job up here. But once again, James, you got passed.
Oh, I'm sure this will be temporary. Actually, you know what? You passed me all the time when I had to pull in for gas.
Oh, I know. The Aventador gets terrible gas mileage.
9 miles to a gallon. Holy shit.
So now we're going to be following the Huracan for a while. And his truck's actually faster, so maybe, and the car on the back's actually faster, so maybe we'll, what do you laugh for?
It's hard not to when you say stuff like that.
It's true. My car is definitely, it's newer, it's faster, and it has a larger penis. That's verified.
As a driver.
That's verified.
A real
Hey, this is kid friendly. You have to say the medical term.
Penis.
There, the medical term.
Yeah.
I'll have to bleep that
penis
out.
with a hat.
Come on now. That is not YouTube friendly. Later. Okay guys, we made it to Deer Run, Colorado. We pulled off for some gasoline, maybe a drink, and a pee-pee. So the next stop should be Lamborghini Denver. So what do you think so far, James?
Awesome.
It's been a fun ride. It actually might be better to ride in that tow truck with our
as soon
cars
as
on
we
the
get
back.
in the tow truck, we notice the roads are completely dry.
I know. Like a lot of them are. It hasn't been
well,
too
there
bad.
were a couple of spots.
There's a couple spots I would have been in the road. I would have been in the ditch. So anyway, we'll be back when we get to Lamborghini Denver. All right, homies, we're pulling into Lamborghini Denver, and you'll notice the Lamborghini Huracan, the Lambros Huracan, is in the lead, right, James? We made a wrong turn at the last minute, and my car wins.
There's Chris made a wrong turn.
Chris made a wrong turn.
Had the lead all the way to the end.
We had the lead, but now we're
Choked
winning.
at the end.
Oh
Choked
yeah.
on us.
Hey, thanks for watching. This is our shenanigans. I won't bore you with cars coming off of the trucks, but we'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Later.